Welcome to this moment of reflection. Ever wonder what a twin soul really is? Not just in the poetic sense, but in the energetic, spiritual, and almost cosmic sense. The idea of twin souls isn't just about romance. It's about two spirits who were always meant to evolve side by side, not as halves, but as whole beings who are even more powerful together. When twin souls come together, something extraordinary happens. Each one is already strong alone, but united, they create a shared energy, one that is sacred and magnetic. This energy isn't visible to the eye, but it's felt by everyone around them. Some call it a bubble of energy, a field that surrounds them, radiating peace, love, and healing. Within that field, there's no doubt, no fear, just unity. These souls are often empathic, deeply intuitive, kind, and emotionally intelligent. They don't just fall in love, they become love itself. When they're together, that love expands, touches everything, uplifts others, and sometimes even heals. They don't need to do anything dramatic. Their presence alone is enough to transform the space around them. But here's the thing. This union isn't easy. Before they can fully unite, each soul must walk their own path. The feminine must learn to rise in love for herself, to live with openness, compassion, and healthy boundaries. The masculine must learn to ground his energy, to offer stability, protection, and presence. They each hold keys to different aspects of the energetic spectrum. The woman rises upward, awakening her higher chakras, throat, third eye, crown. Her journey is about awareness, self-love, and divine connection. The man grounds downward, strengthening his root, sacral, and solar plexus. His mission is to stabilize, to protect, to hold space. And between them, the heart chakra, the sacred meeting point where both energies merge and flow. Together, they create a circuit of life force. Her energy rises, his descends. This cycle keeps them aligned, balanced, and open. In this space, even intimacy becomes something more, not just physical, but spiritual. Their sexual energy becomes a creative force, the same kind of power that shapes reality itself. It's not about desire, it's about divine fusion. But it's a process. There are separations. There are purges. Old wounds rise to be healed. Karma comes to be burned away, and only when each soul becomes whole within, only then can the union be sustained on earth, not just in spirit. In this union, the woman attracts, like the moon, pulling in energy with wisdom and silence. The man protects, like the sun, casting light and strength outward. The feminine creates from within. The masculine shields and supports. And when aligned, their union becomes a beacon, not just for each other, but for the world. This is how sacred relationships begin to heal the earth. They radiate peace without preaching it. They create wholeness by simply being whole together. The bubble they form becomes a living frequency, a vibration that others can feel even if they don't understand it. These unions aren't about perfection, they're about purpose. They're not here just to love each other. They're here to remind others what divine love looks like, and their love becomes the seed for something bigger, a shift in collective consciousness. So maybe this journey isn't about finding someone else. Maybe it's about becoming someone who's ready to rise, ready to ground, ready to love, fully, fiercely, and freely. And when that happens, the soul doesn't chase or wait, it simply shines, and in that light, the twin arrives. If this resonates, if there's a quiet part of the heart that understands, then perhaps the path is already unfolding. Thanks for spending this time in reflection. Feel free to stay a while and keep exploring. And if this journey speaks to the soul, don't forget to subscribe. There's more to uncover together.